What if I told you there's a way to get unlimited traffic to your CPA or affiliate links without spending a single dollar on ads or buying any traffic? This method is so powerful. Some people are already making 3 to 4 figures income monthly just by using it the right way. Stick with me, because in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can build an automated income machine using nothing but free tools. It's simple, it's beginner friendly, and it actually works in 2025. But don't skip ahead, because if you miss one part, the whole system might fail. Let's dive in. Did you suffer to get organic traffic for your online business or CPA marketing offer? Here is the solution. I will show you the right strategies of extracting organic traffic and combine that with CPA marketing, where you get paid not when someone simply signs up or takes an action, and you've got a perfect storm. But here's the kicker. Social media is the main and powerful source of organic traffic. And today we're going to use other people's content which go viral legally and automate the traffic system so it keeps bringing you clicks, leads, and commissions even while you sleep. You will not use a huge amount of time to get your social media content, no script, no recording any video, no showing your face. Everything will be done by the tools that are going to show you today. You will be able to create the content which will go viral anywhere within 5 minutes. And we'll also build a simple landing page to collect emails and all traffic information that we are going to extract and monetize long term. This is going to be more than 4-figure income. Just pay attention and grab everything inside. Sounds good? Let's break this down into 3 simple phases. Phase 1, find viral content. Head to YouTube or any social media you like, but I prefer YouTube since its traffic is really converting. On YouTube, search for popular shorts in your niche you prefer, like fitness, weight loss, motivation, relationships, etc. Look for videos with millions of views. These are proven to go viral. Copy the video link by click on share, then copy the link. That's all you need for now. Phase 2, repurpose and create a unique short. Now here's where the first magic tool comes in. An AI tool that turns those viral videos into customized unique reels with new captions, voiceovers, and style in just 2 minutes. This makes the content yours while staying legal and original. You'll be able to create 45 to 60-second shorts that look like they were made by pro editors, but without doing any editing yourself. We'll reveal the tool in a second. Hang tight. Phase 3, drive traffic and capture leads. We're not just posting videos randomly. We're directing traffic to a simple landing page where people can sign up to your CPA offers, and once they do so, you get paid. Also, we will create a landing page by using a second tool where we will collect emails for those traffic for future uses and keep making money from those traffic for the long term. Furthermore, after a time, you will get monetized by social media that you are posting your short. It's either YouTube or Facebook. If you create a viral content, 1 month is enough to be monetized. So as I said, we are going to create multiple sources of income in this single video. Now let's talk about those tools that you need to use. Clipwise AI. This is the AI platform that repurposes viral content into branded, engaging short videos without you needing editing skills. Just paste a link, add a prompt, choose your theme, language, and voice, hit generate, and boom, your short is ready in 2 minutes. To start with, click the link in the description below, then sign up for a free account by using Google account, then log in where you will find this dashboard. There are several ways to create a video in Clipwise, like link to video, which we will use video, AI in real life, where Clipwise will generate a video based on real-life story prompt guided, where you will write your prompts and other tools. Also at the top, there are different options like viral Faceless, quiz for kids, Reddit story, and others. So we will choose viral Faceless and then link to video. Then I will copy the link to the YouTube short I chose and paste it here. Then choose the video language, where there are multiple languages here. You can customize it more by click on Customize More, then Visual Theme I prefer. You can click on View More to see more themes, then choose one you like, and click on Generate. Then wait for your script to be generated. Once done, you can preview it and regenerate if you don't like it, and finally click on Start Generate a Video. From there, you'll be directed here where you need to choose voiceover based on your video gender. For me, I will choose female, then select any voice I prefer, and then I will click on Convert All Image to Video. This is the amazing feature of Clipwise, since the video generated will not be like image slides, but will be like recorded video. This increases the chance of going viral. Once done, you will see your images change to video, then click on Next. Then here choose background music by playing one by one, then choose video caption, and lastly video overlay. Once chosen, you can preview on the video playing, and finally click on Next and wait for your video to be generated. And finally, our video is ready so we can play it. Boom, we have made it now. Post it on YouTube, Facebook, and TikTok. Then attach your landing page that contains your CPA affiliate link to start making money and collecting traffic. Before we show you how to create a landing page, let me tell you this secret. In order to go viral quickly, even gen monetized in YouTube, in per month you need to post at least 5 short per day. But you will not able to do so in free version of Clipwise. When it comes to premium version, the price is very cheap, where you will pay $10 per month in yearly basis and $25 per month in monthly basis. This is cheap since you're going to create multiple sources of income. To do so, let's go to second tool, which is System.io. This is your landing page builder, but it's much more, where you will create a free website, collect emails, build funnels, send email campaigns, and automate your entire business, 100% for free to start. Click the link in the description, then sign up for a free account, then log in. I will go directly to how to build a landing page and collect email to do so. I recommend you to watch the video showing up on the screen for a complete guide where you will be able to get a CPA affiliate link and landing page for email collection and monetize everything smoothly. I don't want to repeat the same process as in that video since YouTube prohibits it. Thanks for watching, and see you there.